We now know the results of a COVID random sampling study. The third phase of the study was conducted by the Fairbanks School of Public Health. Leaders with the study say the goal is to measure the spread of the virus throughout the state. Demetrius Sanders is live in our newsroom. He joins us now with what the results show. Demetrius.
Well, Mike, according to leaders with the Fairbanks School of Public Health, Indiana remains the only state in the country to perform a COVID-19 random sampling study statewide. And what we know following phase 3 is that many Hoosiers have yet to be infected with the virus. Since the beginning of the pandemic in early March, the Indiana State Department of Health has reported just over 312,000 positive cases of COVID-19. But leaders with the IU Fairbanks School of Public Health says that number does not show the true spread of the virus.
The number of infections is not the same as the more commonly reported number of cases. As I've noted in a previous press conference, cases represent just the tip of the iceberg.
Since April, Fairbanks has conducted 3 phases of a COVID-19 study testing random Hoosiers for the virus to help determine the spread statewide. In phase 3, which results were released on Wednesday, data shows that as of early October, 7.8% of Indiana's population has been infected with COVID, with an estimated 10.6% infected as of November 20th.
At an almost 11% population prevalence, we are very, very far away from the approximately 70% needed to achieve herd immunity.
Fairbanks leaders say this means Hoosiers must express more caution to prevent spikes in deaths and cases.
We need to be very vigilant, in particular around reducing exposure to the disease.
And Indiana's health commissioner says she does have concerns that Thanksgiving will cause numbers to spike, and she is encouraging families to consider changing their normal holiday plans.
I cannot repeat this enough. Bringing together large groups of people from outside your immediate household puts everyone at risk for COVID-19. There is still time to make the hard choice today so that you can enjoy many more tomorrows with your loved ones.
Now, the Fairbanks School of Public Health says they plan to conduct more study on this topic in 2021. Mike.